under a storm alert here at NBC 26 as a major snowstorm makes its way towards northeast Wisconsin. This storm will be on par with the one we saw back in December. We've got winter storm warnings here from central Wisconsin east towards the lakeshore. Across the far north, we're still looking at a winter storm watch, but more than likely that'll be upgraded to a warning later on tonight or tomorrow morning. So with that winter storm warning in place, you can expect heavy snow, especially tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Some thunder snow is possible. We'll be looking at winds gusting up over 40 miles per hour. That could produce blizzard conditions and dangerous traveling, especially tomorrow night into Thursday morning. The snow will start tomorrow morning. We'll see it increase throughout the day, 2 to 4 inches by the evening, another 6 inches tomorrow night as the brunt of the storm moves through, and then we'll wrap up with another 2 to 4 inches as we head into Thursday. So once again, when all is said and done, most areas will end up with about 10 to 14 inches, although some locally higher amounts are possible. Now across the south, let's say from Montello to Princeton to Fond du Lac to Sheboygan, the totals will be a little bit lower. There's going to be some mixing, but still 6 to 10 inches of snow is likely. And then by the time you get to southern Wisconsin, only an inch or two down towards Janesville and Milwaukee. Right now in Green Bay, it is cloudy and 38. Those winds are really starting to crank up out of the north and east, gusting to 30 miles per hour. Much colder air pouring in from the north. Many spots were in the 50s earlier today, but temperatures are dropping with that northeast wind behind a cold front that is now dropping to our south. Really nothing going on right now on precision radar, but out to the west we do have an area of rain that's developing here across South Dakota and Nebraska. It doesn't look very impressive right now, but it'll be quite impressive by this time tomorrow evening. It's going to expand in aerial coverage and intensity throughout the night as this major winter storm takes shape to our south. Right now it's in two pieces, one in Colorado, the other one in Kansas. These areas of low pressure will join forces and then track off towards the north and east. You can see the track the storm is going to take here by looking at where we have winter storm warnings from Nebraska through southern Minnesota, right across the heart of the NBC 26 viewing area. As you take a look at the precision cast here, you can see we've got some light snow in the forecast for tomorrow morning, but that snow will pick up in intensity as we move into the afternoon, and then tomorrow night as the brunt of the storm moves through, the snow will be falling heavily. Let's say between midnight and 5 a.m. we could see some thunder snow out there, very strong winds, blizzard conditions. We'll see the snow then continue into the morning before tapering off as we head into the afternoon. By around 1 to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, already 1 to 2 inches across the central part of the viewing area. By just after sunset, many areas 2 to 4, 3 to 5 inches, and then we'll see the bulk of the snow fall tomorrow night into Thursday morning. So we're going to end up once again with about 12 to 14 inches. Is this unusual for spring? No, not really. Here's a look at the biggest snowstorms on or after the first day of spring, and you can see we've had a lot of them, including back on March 22nd and 23rd, 2011, when we had about 18 inches of snow. Now, along with the snow, we're going to be looking at winds gusting between 40 and possibly 50 miles per hour tomorrow night into Thursday morning. In order to get a full-fledged blizzard, you need visibilities less than a quarter of a mile and winds gusting over 35 miles per hour for 3 straight hours. It is possible we could see those conditions. The one downside for this being a full-fledged blizzard is the temperature. We're going to be mainly in the lower 30s, and that means it's going to be kind of a heavier snow as opposed to a dry and powdery snow. So your forecast for tonight calls for cloudy and windy conditions. A patchy light mix is possible late. Look for lows in the lower 30s. Tomorrow, a mix is possible early and then across the south mainly, and then everything goes over to snow as we head into the afternoon and evening. Strong winds are expected as we head into tomorrow night and Thursday. Heavy snow still Thursday morning, tapering to flurries by the afternoon. Lots of sunshine on Friday, and with a temperature of 38, all that snow is going to be melting and compressing pretty quickly. We will continue to melt the snow on Saturday, highs in the lower 40s, and then we'll see seasonable conditions as we head into early next week with a decent amount of sunshine as we make our way into Monday and Tuesday. And Stacy, the thing about spring snowstorms is all that snow does not stick around very long.
It doesn't, but we don't want to see any flooding problems either.
No, but overall about 1 to 2 inches of precipitation when you melt down the snow.
Okay.
And as that slowly melts as we head through the next 3 to 6 days or so, probably just aggravating the situation, not really making it much worse.
And maybe green some things up a little.
Yes,
All
yes.
right. Thanks, Cameron. Well, the struggles of dealing with dementia made easier today with new legislation